Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Simple Equations worksheet. So this video presents some basic examples where we can practice solving simple equations. Now we've had a lesson on the very topic, and the lesson mentioned that an equation consists of pronumerals, one or more pronumerals. It consists of numbers, and there's an equal sign. And the interesting thing we did in the lesson, we compared an equation to a seesaw. And not just any seesaw, but a very special seesaw which remains balanced. That is, it's completely level. So if there's a mass on one side of the seesaw, we make sure we have the same mass on the other side, so the seesaw remains balanced. And that's what we have to do when we're attempting to solve all of these equations. We do some manipulations, and that leads us to a solution. The manipulations involve operations. That is, we perform an operation on the left-hand side and an operation on the right-hand side. And the operations that we perform must be the same. So in these examples, we either add or subtract a particular number from each side. It must be the same number to keep the equation balanced. And that's exactly what we saw in the lesson. And we do the same for the 11 examples. We either add or subtract something to each side to solve the equation. Whatever we add or subtract has to be the same number to keep the equation balanced. So if you're not sure what to do or you need more help, on the next slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do each and every example. So this video has just presented some basic equations. It's just a worksheet, and it gives us an opportunity to practice solving these equations by going through the simple processes that we saw mentioned in the lesson. Basically, it's that straightforward.